Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about a chdir command that tells us where our current working directory is. And I'll agree with you if you didn't find that too useful, because the question is, okay, I know my current working directory, so what? But I remember explaining to you that the current working directory that your command prompt is pointed to is very significant because there are certain commands whose side effect will happen in the current working directory. For example, the next command we are going to learn is called dir, and after that we will learn some other commands. But the command dir basically lists the content of your current working directory. So if we go to the drive C and then we go to the path, which is C/user/workstation, we should see a similar arrangement of files like we are seeing in the output of the dir command. So I go to users, I go to workstation, and you can see that there is JSSC, that is here snapmaker.json, virtualbox, contacts, desktop, documents, and everything that you are seeing in the graphical user interface is also showing up on the command prompt. Okay, so I'm going to close this. And so what the dir command does is to list the content, and by the content I mean whatever is contained in your current working directory or the present working directory. Remember, this is a folder, and so it will contain other folders and files, and so you want to see what is in there, then you use the dir command. So as you can see, your desktop here is actually a folder inside the workstation folder, which is also inside the users folder. So there is that parent-child relationship where workstation here, this workstation here is a child of users, which is also a child of your hard drive C. Okay, all right, so that is it for the dir command, basically using it to check the content of your current working directory. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can change your current working directory or the present working directory. And so from this point onwards, when I say current working directory or present working directory, I'm referring to the same thing. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next